Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, December 20th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to give you my top reasons you should start network marketing. Okay, now I'm going to keep this video as short as possible, but I'm just going to get right into it and go over these top reasons. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here. I hope you're all doing well. I haven't done a video in a few days, but we've been busy wrapping everything up at the soap shop for the holiday season. So moving forward, I'm going to be able to make, well, at least for the next couple of months, I'll be able to make some more videos. All right. So like I said, this is not in any particular order, but reason number one to start network marketing is the fact that you get to work from anywhere. Okay. This is huge because as long as you have an internet connection and a device, then you can work from wherever you want. So, I like that, having that freedom. If I want to, not if I'm not at the soap shop, if I'm, at home here, I can work on my business. If I'm out and about and I have my cell phone, I can work my business. Oftentimes when we're out, doing shopping or running errands, if Tina has to run into a place and I have 10 or 15 or 20 minutes, then I can be on my phone promoting my company, sharing it with other people. And you literally can work from anywhere, providing that you have a internet connection and a device. Okay. So I love that opportunity. I love that fact about network marketing. Number two is a flexible schedule. You can work on your business whenever you want to. All right. Doesn't mean that you have to wake up and, work from 9 to 5 on it every single day. You can be it's very flexible. It's totally up to you. But the thing about that is that once you become your own boss, you have to really stick to it and be dedicated. All right. You have to have discipline and show up every day. It's not just, well, today I'm going to take off and I'm going to sit on the couch and watch Netflix all day. I mean, having days once in a while like that are fine, but if you're going to be successful in the network marketing industry, then you have to put in the work. Okay. But it could be, I know a lot of people are working regular jobs. So some work on their business before they go into work. Some work on their business after they get out of work. Some work on their business while they're at work. And some work on their business, all the time. All right. And some other people only work on it maybe an hour or a half hour every single day. So I love the flexible schedule. And this is a great reason why you should start network marketing. Okay. Number three is low startup costs. Now, when you take network marketing or MLM and you compare the startup cost to that of, say, McDonald's, all right, we have very, very low startup costs in the network marketing industry compared to, starting a franchise like McDonald's. All right. I know for a fact that McDonald's will not even look at your application if you do not have at least $500,000 minimum in liquid capital. All right. So that means you have to have cash, or you have to have a way to get $500,000 cash. Okay. Before they even look at your application. So most network marketing companies, you have higher ones where, it might cost $1,000 or a couple thousand to start, but then you have lower startup costs like what we have in our company, where you can start for as little as $9.97 a month with a one-time $20 reseller fee. All right. So for less than $30, you can start a global business, which is pretty amazing. Number four is potential for passive income. Again, this is based on your work ethic. There's no guarantee you're going to make any money in network marketing. It's often the reason why we get such a bad name in the industry is because people sign up, they expect to get rich overnight. And when that doesn't happen, they quit, and then they call it a pyramid scheme, or they call it a scam, or it doesn't work. But the truth of the matter is there are network marketing companies that have been in business for decades, that are still in business, that are still billion-dollar companies. And the people at the top of, making the most money in these companies are the people that put in the work. So it's the only industry that I know of where you can literally write your own paycheck, but you have to work for it. Okay. So if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to learn how the industry works, how to market correctly, then the sky's the limit. All right. Number five is personal development opportunities. And again, these are in no particular order. These are just my top reasons why you should start network marketing in 2024. But personal development opportunities. If you get into network marketing and you take it serious and you start following the big industry leaders, you will see that they have lots of things in common. And one of those things is personal development. Okay. They like to read, they like to attend seminars, they like to do things that better themselves personally. All right. And that can be in their personal relationships, in their relationships with their teams that they're building in their company. And, it might be health related, anything that they're all interested in learning more on how to better themselves so they can better the people around them. All right. And I love that. When I got into network marketing, I started reading books all the time. It's the most reading I've ever done is since I've been involved with network marketing. I read all kinds of different books now, but I don't know if you can see the bookcase behind me, but it's full of books. And that's just one of many bookcases that we have here in our home. But there's a lot of personal development books on that bookcase behind me. Okay. So it's just a great thing because, personal development is huge. And a lot of times people don't put any energy or effort into bettering themselves, spiritually, emotionally, physically. Number 6 is entrepreneurial experience. All right. You're literally going to be your own boss. All right. When you start a network marketing company, you don't have the owners of the company, standing over you, watching what you do. Right. They're not there saying you got to work and promote. It's totally up to you. So you have that, you get to learn what an entrepreneur goes through when it comes to dealing with business. Right. Because not every day is a fun walk in the park in network marketing. There's a lot of struggles. There's a lot of tough days. And that's just how it is. The month of December, this month has been very, very slow for me regarding my online business opportunity. Now, last month, I personally enrolled 7 people, and this month has been very, very slow. But it could be due to the holidays. Our economy is not very good here in America right now. And in the United States and actually all over the world, it's not doing very well. But you get to learn what entrepreneurs go through and you become an entrepreneur yourself. All right. So I love that aspect of network marketing. It gives those who maybe never would have considered becoming an entrepreneur that entrepreneurial experience, if that makes sense. Number 7, it's open to everyone. All right. We don't judge anybody in this industry. Okay. You can literally, we have people from all walks of life in the network marketing world. We have people that from all walks of life. Let's just put it that way. And we don't discriminate against anybody. All right. Our team right now is filled with people from many, many different countries, many different ethnic backgrounds, and it's all good. We're all family. And that's what I love about network marketing. One of the big things I love about network marketing is that it's an industry where it doesn't discriminate against anybody, and anybody who is willing to learn and put in the work can be successful in this industry. All right. Number 8, there's a diverse product offering. All right. There's tons of products out there in the network marketing world. Makeup, cosmetics, health products, digital products. There are companies that have many, many different products that you can become an affiliate of and, promote and make commissions. All right. Walmart has an affiliate program. Amazon has an affiliate program. Many of the big box stores have affiliate programs. You name it, there is usually some kind of network marketing company available to whatever you like. Okay. Number 9 is training and support. Particularly at our company, you're not going to be, get sucked into signing up and then your sponsor disappears. Everybody who signs up on our team using the link below this video, you're going to get my personal contact information. You're going to be supported 100%. All right. I work with those who are willing to put in the work. And we have training calls every week. We have marketing materials. You're not by yourself, in other words. Okay. Many times over the years, I've signed up for things and then your sponsor disappears and your team disappears and you're left alone. And that's not good when you first start out. So you never have to worry about being left out or being feeling alone in network marketing when you're on our team. All right. We provide awesome training and support, and most good companies and most good sponsors offer training and support. And number 10, there's tax benefits. All right. There's over 250 different tax benefits that you can take advantage of when you have your own work from home business. So those are my reasons why you should start network marketing in 2024. There's many, many more reasons, but I just wanted to keep this video very quick. And those are my reasons. Okay. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. There's also a link down there that will take you over to a page where you can learn more about gotbackup. This is the business that I've been involved with since April of this year. That's when they launched. And I've been a member since the first week they launched. There's many, many, many good things about this company. I can't think of any bad things about the company. We continuously are adding new tools to make everything better for everybody. The compensation plan is very easy to understand, but very lucrative. And I think that this company, well, I know this company is going to be $1 billion company in the very near future. So there's plenty of time to get in. You didn't miss the boat. We're still down in the basement level of launching this. Not many people know about us yet, but I trust that come the new year, things are going to take off very, very nicely for everybody here at Got Backup. So anyway, I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you always taking the time to watch my videos. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.